Ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly draw others towards them, leaving everyone they meet slightly obsessed? It's not magic, it's often a combination of charming habits that make them irresistible. Today we'll explore 5 charming habits that can make people obsessed with you, helping you build stronger connections and leave a lasting impression. Number 5. Being empathetic. Empathy is like a glue that binds us together, creating a deep and meaningful connection. When you show empathy towards others, you're essentially stepping into their shoes, trying to understand their feelings and experiences. This act of emotional understanding can work wonders in a relationship, making others feel supported, cared for, and truly heard. Imagine a friend going through a tough time. By showing empathy, you acknowledge their pain and offer comfort, letting them know they're not alone. This simple act can have a profound impact, strengthening your bond and showing that you truly care. Empathy is not just about understanding others' pain. It's also about sharing their joy, celebrating someone's successes, and being genuinely happy for them can deepen your connection and make them truly appreciated. In today's fast-paced world, empathy is more important than ever. It's about slowing down, listening with your heart, and being there for others in both good times and bad. So let's strive to be more empathetic. For in doing so, we not only enrich the lives of others, but also create a more compassionate and connected world. Number 4. Being kind and thoughtful. In a world where we often get caught up in our own lives, taking the time to be kind and thoughtful can have a profound impact on those around us. Whether it's a simple act of holding the door for someone, offering a helping hand, or showing genuine concern for others' well-being, these small gestures can leave a lasting impression. Performing random acts of kindness not only brightens someone else's day, but also brings joy and fulfillment to our own lives. It's also a reminder that even in the midst of our own challenges, we have the power to make a positive difference in the world around us. Offering help without being asked is another powerful way to show kindness and thoughtfulness. It shows that we are attentive to the needs of others and willing to go out of our way to make their lives a little easier. Showing genuine concern for others' well-being goes beyond just asking how someone is doing. It means actively listening, empathizing with their struggles, and offering support and encouragement when needed. This kind of genuine care and compassion can make people feel valued and appreciated, fostering deeper connections and making them grateful to have you in their lives. Being kind and thoughtful doesn't require grand gestures or elaborate plans. It's about the simple, everyday actions that show we care. So let's make kindness and thoughtfulness a priority in our lives and watch as they not only brighten the world around us, but also fill our own hearts with joy. Number 3. Active listening. Active listening is a superpower that can transform your relationships and interactions. It's not just about hearing words, it's about truly understanding and empathizing with the speaker. When you give someone your full attention, you show them that their thoughts and feelings matter to you. One key aspect of active listening is showing genuine interest in what the other person is saying. This means asking clarifying questions, nodding in understanding, and providing thoughtful responses. It's about being present in the moment and making the speaker feel heard and understood. By practicing active listening, you can deepen your connections with others and build stronger relationships. People are naturally drawn to those who make them feel valued and understood, and active listening is a powerful way to achieve this. So the next time you're in a conversation, try to be fully present and listen actively. You'll be amazed at how much more meaningful your interactions become. Number 2. Displaying genuine interest. Have you ever had a conversation with someone who genuinely seemed interested in what you had to say? It's a powerful feeling, isn't it? That's the magic of displaying genuine interest. By asking thoughtful questions about someone's life, hobbies, and interests, and remembering details they've shared, you can make them feel truly special and appreciated. When you take the time to inquire about the things that matter to someone, it shows that you value them as an individual. It's not just about going through the motions, it's about actively listening and showing that you care about their thoughts and experiences. Remembering details they've shared can have an even greater impact, whether it's their favorite book, a hobby they're passionate about, or a significant event in their life. Showing that you remember these details can make them feel seen and understood. So the next time you're in a conversation, try asking a few thoughtful questions and see how it can change the dynamic. You'll be surprised at how much more connected you feel to the person and how much more appreciated they feel. Number 1. Smiling often. Have you ever noticed how a simple smile can brighten up your day? Smiling is a universal language that can instantly make you more approachable and likable. It's a powerful tool that can have a contagious effect, spreading positivity to those around you. When you smile, you signal to others that you are friendly and open to interaction. This makes it easier for people to approach you and can help break the ice in social situations. Moreover, smiling can have a profound impact on our own mood as it triggers the release of endorphins, which are neurotransmitters that create feelings of happiness and reduce stress. But the magic of a smile doesn't stop there. Smiling is also contagious. When you smile at someone, they are more likely to smile back. This creates a positive feedback loop where everyone is spreading happiness to each other. So the next time you're feeling down or want to make a good impression, just remember the power of a warm smile. It's a simple yet effective way to brighten up your day and the day of those around you. Incorporating these charming habits into your daily life can work wonders in your personal and professional relationships. Whether it's active listening, smiling often, showing empathy, displaying genuine interest, or being kind and thoughtful, these habits can make you more likable and memorable. Like and subscribe for more tips on how to charm your way into people's hearts.